Some of you may not know that I'm actually a computer scientist, a researcher, and so starting government-wide programs is not really within my job description. And so, as the FedRAMP concept matured, it moved over to GSA for implementation, which was the plan all along. And so now that it's moved, so my role is I'm really looking at the government-wide effort on continuous monitoring, on security automation, seeing what technologies exist, what technologies need to be developed so that we can do continuous security monitoring in the government, but also to apply it to cloud computing. And let me give you a vision of what is technically possible, I think, in the near future. Imagine GSA has a blanket purchase agreement, provides a bunch of cloud vendors for agencies to purchase. And let's say that you could go to a website and on a day-to-day basis look at a meaningful, quantitative, mathematically defensible security risk score. And you could see on a day-to-day basis the security risk of a particular cloud going up or going down. And clouds that have greater security, well, hey, you know what? They're likely to have a higher price. Clouds with lower security standards are likely to be cheaper. Which is appropriate for you? Hey, that's a business decision. But technically, the security enumeration standards, the querying standards, the results standards, the interface specifications that need to happen for that to take place, they're already being created, they're already there. As far as risk scoring, we do need to solve a fundamental problem, and that is creating a unit of measurement for security risk. And as a scientist, I hesitate to even say that, because a unit of measurement is supposed to be for a physical quantity. Security risk is sort of in our minds and our heads. But we need to apply that tried and true measurement system of using a unit of measurement, what is a foot, for example, to security. And if we can take the diverse security metrics that exist out there and we can normalize them to a single unit of security risk measurement, even if it was to be imperfect, if we could do that, we could aggregate security risk within a cloud, within a within a rack, within a data center, within an entire cloud, and truly on a quantitative basis, on a daily basis, let the customer know the security status of a cloud.